Yo, what's up guys, my name is Akshay Dilip Kumar aka ADK and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new to my channel, do consider subscribing as I'll be posting a lot of beatbox related content and beatbox tutorials on this channel. Today I'm gonna teach you guys the block lick.
ADK beatbox.
The block lick is a very simple sound of beatboxing and you people might be doing it from your childhood to irritate people or to get attention from them. And for those of you guys who don't know how to do the sound, place the tip of your tongue on the roof of your mouth and try to create a suction between the tip of your tongue and the roof of your mouth and try to release it by dropping your tongue downward like. And once you guys get the sound, you people can create extra pressure between the tip of your tongue and the roof of your mouth to get a louder sounding click like. Or even you can vary the pitch of your clicks by varying your mouth positions like. And after you guys get the sound, a simple practice pattern to control the sound and the pitch would be. And another practice pattern would be. And an intermediate practice pattern would be. And that's pretty much it for this tutorial guys. I hope you people learn this sound, and if you people learn something new, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Or if you people got any doubts related to the sound, drop them in the comment section below or DM me on Instagram and share this video with your friends who might also want to learn beatboxing. So until the next video, keep learning and beatboxing. Ash.